Hello, Liz here from Skills for Parents, enabling and empowering you to take a proactive interest in your child's education. Today, we are going to change the battery on a calculator. I've heard quite a few young people say to me, oh, my calculator stopped working, I need to get a new one. Well, that may not be the case. It might just be that if it's not solar powered, it needs a battery change. So, I've got my calculator, I've got a set of precision screwdrivers, and on the back of mine, it just says down here that it's a AAA battery, so I've got a spare battery as well. Now, what we need to do is take the screws out. It used to be that you would have a little cover to fit on them, but you don't have that anymore. You just have to unscrew it. So that's what we'll do. You need to take them all out, keep them somewhere safe. If you can't remember which way to unscrew, it's lefty-loosey, so round to the left, and righty-tighty. So lefty-loosey undoes. There we go. Last one to come out. Make sure you do all of them and don't try and force it. There we go. So now I'm just going to take the cover off, and what you'll see here is that we've got a battery that we can change. So you don't want to touch too many things. You just want to carefully take out the battery. The negative end will go where the spring is. So I'm just going to put my new battery in and then put the cover back on. And put the screws back in. So we just screw it back up. My little screwdrivers are magnetic, which is generally a good thing. Two more to go. Nice and tight. And there it is. My calculator's all done. So there you are. That's how easy it is to change the battery in a calculator so that your battery always works. I hope you found that really useful. Please do like this video, share it with people, and if you're a parent, you can get more help in my Facebook group. Please reach out if you've got any questions.